Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Da 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 da. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Why? Because we've got the 4 toastiest, best winter drinks happening today in the Bite Me More kitchen. The first drink we're going to make is a gingerbread latte. So we have whole milk, coffee, cafe, sugar, vanilla extract, and then we have cinnamon, ginger, and a pinch of nutmeg. We're going to heat this up. You just want to warm it and you want to combine all the flavors, but you don't want to bring it to a boil. Our drink is heated up, and yes, you get to use the whipped cream in a minute. I'm going to just pour it right in. Now you can top that with a little bit of whipped cream and a ginger cookie and sip. That is delicious. Got my whipped cream holster. I'm not afraid to use it. Drink number 2, we have a spicy dark chocolate, hot chocolate. So let's get started. We have whole milk again, dark chocolate chopped going in, cocoa powder, yeah, I know, brown sugar. Oh, you have to do everything? Vanilla. What is it? Okay. We have cinnamon, cayenne, and you got it. Chipotle chili powder. Just chili powder. Chili powder, good, in. Again, we're going to heat that up till the chocolate melts, and then I will serve. Did you know that the most common birthday in the United States is September 16th, which means that your parents did it during the cold holiday months. Now get that whipped cream out again, top her up, and we'll garnish with a cinnamon stick. Drink number 3, we're making a spiked peppermint hot chocolate. So we have whole milk, cocoa powder, sugar, vanilla extract. We're gonna heat that up, and then once it comes off the heat, I will add in the booze. Okay, we are going to stir in Bailey's and Peppermint Schnapps. Stir that up. Yep. So we're gonna top that, garnish with a candy cane if you can get one whole. If not, crush them up and put them on top. Our 4th and final drink is a spiked s'mores drink. We have whole milk, cocoa powder, chocolate syrup, but not all of it. We're gonna save a little bit for the top, and sugar. We're gonna heat that up, and then we're gonna add the Kahlua after it comes off the heat because we don't wanna burn off the alcohol. Yes, it's almost torch time. Okay, we're gonna stir in the Kahlua. Let's top that with some marshmallows. Torch your marshmallows. Pop with a little bit of chocolate sauce and some graham cracker crumbs. For all these recipes, see below. And if you want some more hot, see what I did there? Well done. If you want some more drink recipes, hot, cold, and everything in between, press like, press subscribe, and go to bitememore.com. Cheers. Cheers. Let it snow. Oh yeah. Let it snow. Let it snow. Oh wow, I'm getting drunk. So, while we're making hot chocolate, there's gonna be babies born. Okay,